Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your wallet balance for your PlayStation 5 account on your iPhone. So to do this, we want to get the PlayStation app. So just go over to the App Store, go to the bottom right and type in search, and go to the PlayStation app right here. So let's smash that, and then go on over to PlayStation app, open this up, and sign in with your email address and password associated to your PlayStation account. Then on the bottom, we want to go to the little icons, go to the PlayStation Store. Then right next to the heart, go to the three little horizontal lines and go to payment methods. Then right at the top of the screen, it's going to give you your wallet balance. So if you added like a prepaid card or something to it, or any kind of funds, your wallet balance will display right here. And it says your wallet balance can be used to purchase things online. If you have a child with a sub-account, the sub-account funds and notifications are managed by the master account. So just look at that option right there, and you can see how much you have added to your account. You can see your credit card under here as well, and everything else. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.